5 skills that you're gonna need as a small online business owner. So when you're just starting up your business, even if your budget is limited, there are some things that you have to hire people to do for you so that you can set up your business. But these are the skills that you can learn from today, and along the way you master the skills and then you become good at doing this. And the first skill is graphic designing. So with graphic designing, it's also going to help you when you are setting up your business, when you need a logo, when you're still designing your website, because within your website, whether you are the one that's creating the website or not, you're still going to need content within that website. So with things like logos and also marketing materials and product images, you really need to know how to do graphic designing, and you don't have to pay for anything. I've always been using Canva to do my graphic designing, and also some of the things that I do not understand how to do, I use sites like YouTube to learn how to do that. So this is something that you can really start now after this video and learn how to do for your business, so that you don't have to hire people to do for you. Especially when it comes to logos, you don't have to pay anybody to create a logo for you. And also your website content, you will have the content that you want and also the colors that you want or the aesthetic that you are going for in your business. So that's the first skill, which is graphic designing. The second skill is copywriting. So with copywriting, when you are along your business, now you need content so that you can market your business. There are things that you're gonna need, maybe pictures or videos as your marketing materials, and this is gonna need you to learn copyright. So you may find videos that are already out there and it's something that you want to talk about, but without knowing, you just take another video or other people's pictures and you have copyright issues. But if you learn how to do this, if you come up with your own original content and also images and videos and also your own product description, this is really going to help you and save you from any trouble that you may get into, and also save money on that. So you can use sites like Copy AI. It's just an AI website that also going to help you to generate these contents, especially product designing, which it is really good for product designing. So all these sites are free, but with Copy AI, you are given certain credits per month. So every month you can use the credits that you are given, but if they are exhausted, you have to pay or you wait for another month so that you can start with, or you can continue with your copywriting work. So that's the second skill that you need to learn as a small business owner. The third skill is marketing and branding. So you can hire people to do things for you, like running your Google ads or Facebook ads. But if you want to save on that, you can learn from only one platform like TikTok. You can master the art of marketing on TikTok, and you only learn that one skill or that one platform where you do videos without even showing your face, but only talking about your product or marketing your product. So you master the skill of marketing, even if it's just on one platform, and that's where you're gonna get most of your customers. Then after some time, when you've mastered one platform, that's when you can move to other platforms. But first start with one platform where you can market your business, because if you are running an online business, whether it's e-commerce or any online business, you have to market your product or your business. So you really need to master the branding. The branding will have to do with who you are. The branding will have to do with who you are and your social media presence, what are you known for, and the product that you're selling and who you are selling it for. So you have to do this and learn to do this yourself if you really want to save some cash on this. The fourth skill is financial management. If in the beginning you cannot afford to hire somebody, learn to write everything, even if it's just small, all your cash flows. If you're spending, even if it's just 100 rands, write that down, so that it's going to help you to have a track record of everything that's happening in your business. You have the hard copy and also you have the soft copy, which you can do in your computer. You just need an Excel spreadsheet where you write how your cash flow, your income, and also your total expenditure and how much you are spending each and every time, and how much you're making, all your budget. You need to learn how to do this yourself when you're just starting out, and this is going to also help you that even when when it comes time for you to hire somebody, already your finances are in good standing. You know where your money went and you know how much is your income. So learn to do this for yourself and become your own financial manager when you're just starting out. The fifth skill, which is also the last skill, is adaptability and problem solving skill. With adaptability, this is going to be going with the trends. So in business, especially online business, there's always new trends and you have to keep up with this. So learn to adapt things and apply those things in your business. So these are the 5 things that you need to learn, and also problem solving skills. If you have a business and you don't know how to solve some of the things yourself and you're still expecting somebody to solve the problems for your business, when your business grows, what's going to happen? Is it even going to grow if you cannot solve some of the problems within your business? If you are having a hiccup with the couriers, you have to learn how to communicate with those couriers and to come up with a better solution for your business. So learn problem solving and also adaptability, because we are evolving every day in the online business. So those are the 5 essential skills that every small business should master. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Cheers.